How to turn off or on interesting posts notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub and then click the storylines and click settings, then go to this one here, notifications, and then scroll down until you find it, and here is it. Click on it and then turn it off, and you can turn it on again just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.